Right, so let's first up talk about pricing. What's going to be the original price of this game? Right now, it is end of September. The game was just released 2 days ago. There was a pre-release discount. Pricing currently is, if we go here, there's three options. You can also have this EA access. It tells you that you get all these extra things. I'm not quite sure what you get, but I think it's £2.50 a month. I'm not exactly sure on that. It's a little bit shady what you actually get for the money you pay. Right, so you're going to have Standard Edition, Champions Edition, Ultimate Edition, right? And down here is going to show you the differences. Standard Edition, you just get the game. In the Champions Edition, you get in the FUT, in what's called the FIFA Ultimate Team, and we're going to talk about this. You're going to get an icon loan player, so you're going to get one of the best players in the game on loan for 5 games. You're going to get a special edition kits, which I don't know why anybody cares about playing in special kits. It don't make you any better. It don't make your team any better. And then you're going to get 10 rare gold packs, which I think you get 2 a week for 5 weeks. On the Ultimate Edition, you get 20 rare gold packs, 2 a week for 10 weeks, I think. I'm not sure exactly what that is. What these are is when we come to the FIFA Ultimate Team, when I explain to you what's happening, you get a pack that opens up and you get a certain amount of items. You get players, you get gold players. So you obviously get bronze, silver, gold players, bronze, silver, gold items, and all sorts of things like that, right? So in the more expensive version, you're going to get 10 of these packs, right? And I'll show you how much they're worth. I'm trying to think off the top of my head. It's probably not worth buying this. But a lot of people will say, get me this one for Christmas because I'm going to get 20 rare packs. But as we'll see, by now the regular edition is going to cost you currently £50. Sorry, this is the Ultimate Edition, £90. £80 if you're on the EA access, which we said £2.50 a month for that. Champions Edition, it's going to be a little bit less, £80, $79.99, and 10% off if you're on the regular edition. Now, sorry, the EA access. Now, the regular game, $59.99, is going to be when you buy the DVD. When do you buy the DVD? When you buy the CD in a shop, that's what you're going to get. Just the game, nothing extra. The base game. 99% of people will get the base game. The kids can buy extras inside the game if they want, but most of you are going to pay £60. Yes, it's going to be cheaper across, Amazon and eBay and Asda, stuff like that. You're going to get cheaper, but it's $59.99. But what your kids are going to try and talk you into is this Champions Edition and this Ultimate Edition, and that's going to get them extra icons. This icon for 5 games. The kits is a joke, I'm not sure what. But you're going to get these rare packs. So they're going to try and talk you into it. And we're going to talk through getting packs and paying for packs and how much that's going to go in the future as well. But all of a sudden, this is the first the big reveal, the pack, opening the pack, seeing what players you've got, is a real addictive thing. Everybody wants to open a pack and see what's the possibility, because you can sell your players. You can put them on the transfer market and try and get coins. So everybody wants packs, and we're going to talk about it, right?